Here's to the king, sir. You ken what I mean, sir. And every honest man that'll date again. Here's to the chieftains o' all the Hieland clans. They've daint mair nor once, and they'll date again. When you hear the trumpet sound, tooty-tatey to the drum, up your sword and down your gun, and to the rogues again.
When our prince come to Edinburgh, ah, but we were braw and ready. He made every Scottish heart to warm. Whilk shake that he gave his lady. King Fareweel, aye farewell, it's all to give your king farewell. Ye have feather beds and carpets ruined, ah, will ye not be doing yon German lairdy? For better prince there never was, lay among the heather in his tartan plaidy. King Farewell, aye farewell, it's all to give your king farewell. By Preston pans we laid our plans, all the Hieland lads were ready. By the wind and the sea we made them flee. We ilk a strike that was in our plaidies. King Farewell, aye farewell, it's all to give your king farewell. Aye farewell, it's all